How do you sell more of your own product? Or if you're selling other people's products, affiliate marketing, how do you sell more of those? How do you make the whole process easier, faster, and how do you make it more consistent? Well, by understanding these core things that I'm about to share with you, it's going to simplify the whole process for you and allow you to make the whole game funner, give you more profit. And honestly, once you got this dialed in, you can pretty much sell anything using the internet. So let's go over this real brief here. Now, I'm also going to redefine some of the things that you need to be thinking about, like these basic terms that we have, business, marketing, and sales. And by redefining those, it's going to allow you to think through the process, connect the dots a lot easier, and just really just make it more enjoyable, which is what I'm trying to do here. I'm trying to help you actually figure this out so that you can sell things consistently every day using the internet. Now, if you want to learn more about how we do this, you can just get my free training over here at makeonce.com. It's completely free, and I go into deep dive. I give you my automations, I give you my funnels, and I also show you exactly how those things all work together so that you can implement them and hit the ground running quickly and easily. I've also got a program that's called Build Lab, where you can work with me custom one-on-one, where you can always learn about that product over here as well. So let's get right into it. There's three core areas in online business, or frankly, any business. You have traffic or attraction or getting in front of new customers. You have the conversion process, which the cool thing about the internet is we can automate this whole thing and make it really simple. We can make it really effective, and we can get our time back because it'll work without us 24/7, 365. And then the delivery. You're either going to deliver your own product or you're going to be selling somebody else's product and they'll do the delivery for you. Affiliate marketing. There's only two things that you can do, right? You can sell your own product or somebody else's product. So that's simple. Now, here's what I want to redefine first before we get into this right here. Number one, business. See, people think business is designed to make money. That's not true. Now, that may be contrary to what you're normally used to hearing or thinking. And the reason most people have trouble in business is because they get into business to make money, or they try to get their business to make money. And the idea behind business is that it's designed to solve problems. And when a business solves a person's problem, the byproduct is money. So if you want your business to make more money, you need to solve more problems. Pretty simple, right? So if you focus on getting your business really, really good at solving problems, your business will get really, really good at creating the byproduct, money. So let's redefine business as problem solving. Business is simply professional problem solving. When you decide that you're going to run a business or grow a business or start a business, you're saying, I want to help people solve their problems very quickly, very easily, and hopefully at a very low cost, or at least a cost that makes sense. Marketing. People get this all messed up, right? I used to do it as well. I used to screw up all this stuff. I figured it out, and that's why I'm sharing it with you. Marketing. All marketing is education. You're just out there educating people about how you solve their problem, right? And when you do this and you do it effectively, you'll actually also produce a lot of value at the same time. And when you give a lot of value to people and you unlock things for them, while simultaneously teaching them about how you solve their problem, you create something that's even more powerful than anything, which is reciprocity. This word reciprocity might be one of the most powerful words in online business, in life, right? Give, 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 give. You don't have to worry about asking. It'll be there. Like Zig Ziglar always said, if you help everybody else get what they want, you don't got to worry about what you want. It'll be there. And so far in my life and in my experience, and I've been doing this stuff since 2007, it's always come out to be true. Matter of fact, it's just quite amazing how powerful it really is, because when you give, you don't just get back one to one. You get one to many. Kind of like when you plant an apple tree, right? When you plant an apple tree, you don't just get one apple back. You get tons of apples. And you don't just get one seed in each apple. You get several seeds in each apple. So if you plant that one, start that one business, you take care of it, you make sure that it gets to grow, and you provide the things around it that allow it to flourish and grow up, and you take care of it, and you have patience with it, it'll give you back an entire orchard. And then that orchard can give you another orchard. I think you get the idea there. So marketing is education. Just go out there and do marketing every single day, as much as you possibly can. And if you're using video, what's really amazing, kind of like this video here, you can create one video one time that does a great job, and it can be out there working for you forever. That's what I love about it. That's why I called the company Make Once. You can make this process once, and it can pay you forever and ever and ever. Pretty cool, right? So, education. Go out there and educate people how you solve their problem. Educate them on how they can buy your product. Make it clear, make it easy, and they'll do it. It's, as long as they have the problem and as long as they're willing to pay for the solution. Sales. All sales is not arm twisting, convincing, grimy, slimy, trickery. All sales is just helping people make decisions that serve them, right? You're helping people make a decision that actually will change their life for the better. So if you're selling a problem or selling a solution to somebody's problem, by just educating them, you'll get them very excited, very interested. They'll be aware that you actually exist and that they can buy it from you. Then all you have to do is help them see through the anxieties, see through what might be there that could scare them that's not actually there. So when you're selling and when you're educating people through your marketing, all you're doing is removing anxieties. If people think, that there could be something out there that could hurt them through the process, that'll hold them back. It'll keep them from buying. So you do the educating and helping them make the decisions that serve them. And the only way you can really do this is by asking them questions. That's the trick to sales. Matter of fact, one of my favorite phrases when it comes to selling and marketing, frankly, is questions are the answer. So if you just think about that in all cases, it'll always serve you. Now, before we jump into this, the traffic conversion and delivery, I want you to understand that there's really only 3 ways to increase the amount of money that you make. You can, number 1, increase the sales. So increase the number of sales you're getting each and every time in your business. Number 2, increase the profit. So maybe you're not getting more sales, but each sale you're getting more profit from the sale. So you can increase the profit. Okay. Some people, they have to sell tons of stuff. Some people, they can sell a little bit of stuff and make tons of profit. And the third way is just to increase the purchases that each person makes. So maybe instead of a person just buying something from you once, they buy something from you 3, 4, 5 times, or they maybe buy other things, right, that come after the first purchase. Does that make sense? So these are the only 3 things that you can really do to increase the amount of money that you're making. Okay. So in reverse here, the delivery part, you're either going to be selling your own product that you would create, which, yes, there's going to be more responsibility there. Yes, you have to be able to create that product. Yes, there's probably going to be more time involved, but there's also more power too. There's also more control as well. And there's also more freedom with that. So that's one of the, main things to really keep in mind when you go to decide what you're going to do here. If you're selling their product, obviously they have control. They control the margins. They control the, delivery of it. They control the actual quality of the product. So that's really going to be something you need to think about when it comes to this part of the process. And it's only this. You get attention, you engage it, and you convert it, and then you deliver on the promises. Okay? All right. So coming this way, assuming, let's just say you're selling your own product, like I do over at MakeOnce.com, I have a product called Build Lab. It's a course, a community, and it's a live weekly support call. Because that's what you need. You need the roadmap. You need live support to help you specifically with your own custom journey through that. And then, of course, you have to have the willpower and the discipline and the want to show up. Like I always say, I can't do your push-ups for you, but if you show up, we'll surely get them done. Okay? Selling your own product. What we're doing then is creating a sales page, which is part of your conversion process. But what you're going to do here is you're going to go out to the world, to the marketplace, social media, that's where everybody's at. It's where you're at right now, right? And you're going to either produce traffic using organic methods like I'm using right now. There's no ads going on right now. You're watching this video. You found it on the internet, and here we are. Okay. Now, I love this process for a couple reasons. Number one, there's no ceiling to this, okay? You can actually create what's called escape velocity by doing this. Means you can't stop it once it gets started. And the really cool thing about this also is that there's no end to it working, meaning it just keeps going and going and going. Unlike, let's say, paid ads, for instance, that once you stop paying for the ads, they stop paying you. They stop. They don't work anymore. So that's one thing that I love about organic marketing. And I also love the compounding effect of organic marketing. And that compound effect comes from, my video can be in 1,000 places at one time working. So can paid ads. But the difference is when you share this and it keeps living on, then 2 can get 4, 4 can get 8, 8 can get 16, etc., etc. Whereas ads, if I shut them off and somebody shared it, it's gone. So that's another thing that I really love about organic marketing. And I love Naval Ravikant's quote or saying or whatever. He says, people do sales because they suck at marketing, and they do marketing because they suck at building a product. So you could obviously reverse that quote and realize what you need to do and what makes the most sense. Having a really great product and then doing really amazing marketing. And then obviously, if you're really good at helping people make decisions that serve them, you're going to be up for some really neat stuff called profit. Okay. Make a lot of people happy too. Paid ads, they work a lot quicker, but I'd kind of argue with that a little bit because of today's interest-based algorithms and just the way things are really working out there today with organic. If you've got a good fighting willpower and spirit, you'll be able to do organic marketing quite quickly. At least that's what it's been like for myself and our clients. We show you how to do all of this stuff in vivid detail with really increased support to make sure that it happens. So paid does happen a little faster. And the one thing about paid, though, is, yeah, it can happen faster. It's very targeted. Okay. If you do the organic marketing right, it's targeted too. And one thing about organic marketing versus paid marketing, people always say, well, this takes too much time. Well, if you do ads correctly, they're going to take time and money. So kind of something to think about. But paid ads do work. I'm not against paid ads. We've just been able to make it work without them. It's actually been more profitable, amazingly enough. So you're driving traffic. You're coming out here to the marketplace. You're driving traffic. I like to do long form videos like the one you're watching right now. And then what I'll do is I'll take this video, and if you go over to my TikTok, or if you go over to my Instagram Reels, or if you go over to YouTube Shorts, you'll find bits and pieces of this video over there driving you to this video, where in this video, I drive you to, go check out my free training or hit up all the free stuff down in the description of this video. So that's kind of how it works, right? And then once you get into this process, so if you go here or you go down to the link in the description, you'll end up at a place like this. You'll come over here, you'll insert your email here, and you'll want to do that because I give you an amazing free training to watch. It's going to show you even more how to do this stuff. So if you really like this video, you'll just really love this one. Once you get over there, you'll watch that video. And in that video, it's designed to provide tons of value, share with you how things work and how we help you solve your problem. Okay, education. And then what it'll do is it'll make an offer at the end, and it'll ask you to go buy our product, Build Lab, so you can join us and speed up your time to get to success using the internet, selling things. And then if you decide not to do that, that's fine. You'll be in what is our email list, okay? And that's what you want to do. You want to take your audience and turn it into your community, and then you turn your community into your customers. So when you get down in here, email will go out and it'll send you the replay. If you don't buy, then that's fine. It'll wait a little bit and then it'll ask, did they buy? If they didn't, it'll just send another email and it'll continue this process, and you'll enjoy it because all the emails that you'll be getting will be packed full of value. Now, there'll be nothing in relation to what you can actually get when you join our program, but it'll still give you a good idea. It'll educate you and it'll help you make a decision that's going to serve you. If you do buy, then the emails stop because that was the goal, right? The goal was to get you to join our program so we can help you faster, easier, and save you a bunch of time and money, okay? So anyhow, that's how this works. And so if you do buy, then we deliver the product. We hang out with you in the community. We support you and we help you get things done, right? So that you can sell more of your products or sell more of other people's products and earn great commission. So if this video is something that has been valuable to you and you really want to learn how to understand that email marketing process a lot better, then the best thing to do now is to go ahead and check out this video.